Hey, if you're a cat person, this 59 inches Yaheetech Cactus Condo tree may be the one for you. It is for me, since we have 4 cats at home, and when they sent me this product just for this video, I said, yeah, I'm gonna test it. They tested it. They love it. It's not super big, so that's kind of like a good thing if you lack of a space. We have many other condos and many other Yaheetech condos actually. And the good thing about this one is that really big. It is 59 inches, as you're gonna see over here. So that is a good thing that is not super big in case that you lack of a space. It has some really good places for our cat just to chill out a little bit. Like for example, this kind of like chilling station over here. That has some flaps over here on the sides, which are gonna be cushion. It also comes with this really nice cactus over here, and then for them to play, just this one over here if they want. Lots of scratching spaces over here that you can see, and lots of places for them just to chill and enjoy some chilling position over here. What are you? Okay. I guess that's what we're doing now, licking noses. So let me actually take you on a close-up. So you can see that place on a close-up over here. I would say that this is for medium to small size cats. Minnie is a medium sized cat, but we also have a small size cat, Penny, and she fits perfectly there. So I think that Minnie will be staying here or on the bottom one, where you can see this one over here, this cactus, this scratching pose over here, and of course for them just to play a little bit if they want. Let me actually show you the middle and the bottom section. The middle section over here with this little condo for them to stay, chill, and hide as well, and this hammock over here that supports a medium to small size cat, more scratching posts over here, and then on the bottom part you're gonna find the ramp for them to climb, more scratching posts over there, and also a platform over here as well. Heavy base, 59 inches, and of course pretty kind of like plenty of space for them to play as well as to chill over here as well. They like it. 59 inches, super easy assemble, and lots of place for them to hide, chill, play, or just have a little night nap over here as well. I like it. Minnie likes it. All the cats like it. That's the most important thing.